Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 13. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, back to Yoner. The two of them still talking. Oh, Chancy said, "You think too much. I have no interest in you." Oh, that was tough. But looking at Oh Chancy, she looks really serious. Well, for her, it's only a business, only to protect her. Because of the things she does, it's the only thing that she can help her. But right now, Yuner, look at her. It seems that she's thinking mischievous. Sooner or later, Yuner said to herself. Now, after talking so much, the two of them finally agree with the terms and condition, and she was writing right now. Wang Yuner finally she signed the paper and she put a stamp to make it legal. Well, definitely, it's really a crazy idea, but right now it was Oh Chancy's idea. Oh Chancy said to her, "Give it to me." Well, she's still looking serious. Probably she was really looking forward about this. Well, just to tease her, Wang Yuner suddenly pressed her hands towards her, stamps already on the hands of Oh Chancy. Now, Wang Yuner, she was really crazy. "I'll give you a stamp and you'll be mine in the future," Wang Yuner said to her. Well, Oh Chancy seems to be puzzled, but of course, her hand was really stamped by her. It's like she was claiming her to be her future wife, right? But after talking, finally the two of them were going to leave. The contract says that to live together temporarily. Now, Wang Yuner said, "Then I'll go back and fuck off and move in tonight." Well, she was really tricky, right? Really wants to domineer Oh Chancy. But Oh Chancy, she can do anything but just to tell herself she is really an activist. Well, definitely. Wang Yuner, she has really a strong personality. Wang Yuner said, "You wait for me here, I'll pick up the car." Well, finally, she agreed to her and said okay. Now, Oh Chancy, she was waiting on the parking lot. Suddenly, there's someone calling her. "Wang Yuner." Well, who could it be? Is a friend? Well, definitely it was not. Looking at this girl, she seems to be angry. Well, what's wrong with her? The girl said, "You silly." She was holding a bottle of drinks. Why get pay business resources? Now, the fun seems to throw her. He threw the drinks towards her. Well, definitely, she was touching right now. But, looking the face of Wang Yuner. "Wang Yuner, do you know how hard Peipei is to reach her current positions?" Now, Wang Yuner, she was wiping her hair. Right now, the girl said, "I won't allow anyone to step on her." Oh, suddenly the girl released something. Well, definitely, it was a pointless. "If you don't tell out resource, I just..." Oh, she's pointing out and acting that she's going to flash through her. But Oh Chancy, want to eliminate me? Oh, look at her. It seems that she was thinking something. Her face is really mischievous. The girl said, You don't." Seems that the girl's getting angry, also getting afraid on her. Definitely, Wang Yuner, she has really strong personality. Something happened. Right now, someone is trying to stop her. Oh, definitely. It was really outrageous. It was Oh Chancy, moving closer to her. "You can go first, let me deal with it here." Well, definitely, she really want to protect Yuner. But right now, Yuner's some idea. Why should I go? This is the flavoring agents of life. Well, definitely, she was really plotting something. Right now, it was Oh Chancy. "Are you a fan of Shang Fei?" Well, definitely, she really got curious. Why suddenly this person is going to attack Yuner? Well, definitely, there's a reason. Not just a fans. Fei Fei is my life. The only light in. Well, this girl. I really want to protect Fei Fei's interests. Right now, looking at Oh Chancy. "So, are you cleaning the obstacle for your master now? There are so many competitors in the entertainment industry. Can you eliminate all of them?" Well, definitely. Chancy, she was right. It was an old iron. Definitely. was a real score. Right now, looking at Wang Yuner, she was really tricky. This is a fan of senior Senfei. She just admitted it herself. Well, the girl seems to be noticed. Young Yuner, right now, she's getting life. It's because I got the endorsements of the O's group Pan. Did this extreme behavior. Sister Faye, do you want to give everyone an explanation? Are you live, this kid? This is really so weak. No, the heat of handing your hands to your door don't be in vain. Now, looking at the fans, I am doing this on my personal behavior and have nothing to do with Feifei. Well, of course, she was really afraid that Baby will get in trouble because of her. You're also a mix-up circle. Haven't you heard of a fan behavior? The main owner should pay the bills. Everything you do to me today will be counted as Baby's move. Well, after reading all the explanation, the girl seems to be want to run away from her. Well, maybe she was really terrified by young Yuner. It is really scary and boring. Young Yuner said to herself. Oh, she took off the phone recording. Well, definitely, she was really tricky girl. Right now, Oceansy said to her, "You're flaying." Well, definitely she is. Looking at herself, she seems to be happy. By doing this, of course. Finally, the two of them already arrived on Oceansy house. Oceansy said to her, "This is my home." Looking at Yuner, she might think something again. Usually, I live alone. You don't need to be restrained. Of course, I'm not restrained and this is my home. Oh, hearing this, Oceansy was looking at her. It's your home so soon? Sorry, I said the wrong thing. Well, definitely, she really wanted this. Oceansy, right? Winner, she moved closer her. It is her home. Now, she was really shining brightly. It was really cute it is. Oh Chansey, your room is on the second floor. You can carry your luggage off. Gunnar said to her, "Thanks." Well, definitely. The relationship of the two of them is getting better. But suddenly, Chansey, she was looking at her. Well, if she really want to follow her. Definitely this girl. She was really tricky. Suddenly, she got interested in something. She looked up. There's a beautiful girl. A portrait of it. Who is that person? Young Yuner was speaking to herself. Well, maybe she really got curious. Hanging in the most conspicuous place, living room. What is the relationship between her and Oh Chansey? Well, she seems that jealous, right? Hey guys, thanks for the support. Thank you for joining membership today, Rodrigo Melado. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, memberships are the open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!